Hi everyone, it's Matthew here again from the Skibbereen Food Company. Welcome to my kitchen in Skib, and today I'm going to do a Sri Lankan curry. We're just going to use great produce, no cream, no coconut cream, and the great thing about this is you can make so much of this and it does for days on end. So listen, I'll see you at the end of the video. Enjoy. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is marinate our chicken. I'm using chicken thighs here. As I've said in other videos, chicken thighs are the best in my opinion for making curry because they keep in the moisture. Okay, so the chicken thighs I've cut into, each chicken thigh into threes. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I'm just going to put a little bit in there for luck. We've got half of this, okay, so this is my red and green chilies. They're optional, but you know, that's up to you if you want to. And then I've got my 2 tablespoons of garlic, crushed garlic, and 2 tablespoons of ginger. We've got a full lime, okay, so we're going to squeeze that in there. And then we've got our spices, which I won't go over, it'll be on the YouTube channel. And also I'll put this out through my social media, on my social media page when the video is being done. So we're going to put all this in. This is all our spices. And all we're going to do now is we're going to mix this all together. Okay, our chicken is marinating. Okay, and I recommend you do that for 2 hours, or you can do it overnight. And what we're going to do now is get our saucepan, and we're going to start frying off a few spices. That's cumin seeds, cinnamon, cardamom. We're just going to turn it down, you don't want it to burn. We've got our chili, garlic, sliced garlic, and we've also got our onion. So we're just going to put that together for the moment. Give that a good stir around. So the next thing we're going to do is throw in our tomatoes. And I love mushrooms in my curries, so I've got some lovely flat cap mushrooms I'm going to throw in as well. And we're just going to cook that out for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the base has been cooking for about 3 or 5 minutes, and we're going to time to add the chicken. Okay, after this is all mixed in and cooked out just a little bit, we're just going to throw that on a lid on that and leave it for around about 15 minutes. Okay guys, you can see this is half cooked out. The flavors smell fantastic in this, and now it's just time to throw your potatoes in, which I've got about, probably a little too much here, which I'm just going to throw in about 4. There's 5 actually cut there. I'm going to add a little bit of the water from here. Okay, and now it's time to cook this out for 25 minutes with the lid on. As you can see, you've got a nice consistency. As I said, it has no cream or coconut cream, and we're just going to add some coriander. Okay, we're going to turn it off, and we're just going to stir that through, and that's basically your curry ready to go. So there you go guys, there's my Sri Lankan curry. A little bit of prep, but boy, when you get this done, the flavor of it is fantastic. It really is a nice chicken curry. So listen, follow me on YouTube, follow me on my social channels, and we'll talk to you soon. If you want the recipe, I'll put it into the comment section when I release this on my social media pages. Thanks a lot guys, we'll talk soon.